So we are going to discuss question answer of chapter number 2. So first question is, why did not Ankit heed warnings against his weakness for fast food? So the answer is on page number 1. This is the first question and the answer is on page number 1. Here it is this paragraph starting from third line, Ankit, from here up to enslaved him. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 1. Ankit simply refused to believe that he was no longer in control of himself and unhealthy eating habits had enslaved him. So this is the first answer. Okay, is this clear, students? Now the second answer is starting from the first para below the box. From here, Ankit always thought that his friends were jealous, starting from here up to weaklings. Okay, so this is the answer of second question. Okay, Ankit always thought that his friends were jealous when they poked fun at the plates of rolls and fries that he had polish off when on outings. They simply can't afford all this on their meager pocket allowance, he told himself, and I'm not fat. He would pat his middle with satisfaction. It's only that these boys are weakling. So this is the second answer. Okay. The question was, what argument did Ankit make to justify his weaknesses? So two answers are over. Third answer, do you really believe that Ankit was unaware of the health hazard of the fast food? How so? Yes. The answer is yes. Because you can write, and if you want you can copy, yes, then comma, because he had become addicted to fast food. He had became addicted to fast food. He had became addicted to fast food. Okay, so this is the answer for third question. Am I clear to you? Now, why was Ankit's father disappointed with him? So the answer is on page 12. Here it is. Last paragraph, second line. You suffered a mild heart attack, a myocardial infarction to be precise. From there up to last line here. For the junk you kept eating all this time. Okay, so this is the fourth answer. This is fourth answer. Am I clear to you? So you can tick in your book. Then fifth answer. Fifth question is, do you think that the minor cardiac problem that Ankit had was really a blessing in disguise? So, and how so? So the answer is yes. First you will write yes, and then you will yes, then comma. Then starting from page number 13, second para, Ankit had learned two things. starting from there till last. So this is your fifth answer. Ankit had learned two lessons that day. One, accept your weakness and shortcomings readily and consciously, and from there up to last here. So this is your second answer, fifth answer. So you have to write the answers in your fair copy, fair MSc copy. Now after that we have true or false. Ankit got addicted to fast food because of parental neglect. False. Because he was already addicted and had a misconception about fast food. The first one is false. Nobody told Ankit about the harm effect of fast food. This is also false. This is also false. Because his friends, his mother, his teacher told, but he neglected them. So both are false. Coming on to the next page. Ankit argued with his teacher. So the third one is yes, true. He argued with his teacher in favor of fast food. Ankit's friend did not share his craze for fast food since they could not afford it. So next one is false. Fourth one is false. Then fifth one, Ankit gave up fast food because he realized its harmful effect on his health. So fifth answer is also true. So third is true, fourth is false, and fifth one is true. You can write in your copy. Now situation are given to you and you have to take the options you would choose to tackle. Okay, so first situation is you get poor marks in your maths test. So what you will do? Whether you will tell your parents that the question paper was tough, or will you accept your weakness? So the correct answer is B. I will accept my weakness in the subject and work harder at it. Then your English language teacher asks you to work towards improving your pronunciation. What you will do? So answer is A. I will accept the advice and make necessary efforts. Okay. Then your friends tell you that you need to be more polite in your conduct. So what you will do? Three options are given. And the correct option is I will thank them for their advice and make conscious efforts to behave more politely in future. So the answer is C. Then your fourth one, your cricket coach tells you to take up fitness training though you are a talented batsman. So what you will do? Will you ignore him? You will say I am a good batsman, or will you appreciate his advice and begin your fitness training earnestly? So the answer is B. Fourth B. I will appreciate his advice and begin my fitness training earnestly. Okay. Then moving on to the fifth one, your parents ask you to restrict your hours on the computer. So what you will do? I will ponder their advice and avoid unnecessary computer access. Isn't it? Or will you argue? No. So fifth B. I will ponder their advice and avoid unnecessary computer access. Okay, so mark the answers. Now, B part. Look at the following events, incidents, and write your reaction and your remedy for it, even in the given space. So 5. incidences are given to you, your reaction and your remedies. So this is your homework. You have to do it by yourself. Okay, in the fair copy. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask in the comment section of this video, or you can ask your online teacher. Is this clear? So whatever your doubts are, ask to your online teacher. Okay student, that's it for this YouTube classes. Take care. Bye bye.